Here is a quick and easy way to make delicious deviled eggs. All you need is a few basic ingredients: mustard, mayo, paprika, salt, pepper, and sweet pickles. Let's start by boiling a dozen eggs for 12 minutes. Next, place them directly into an ice bath. Time to peel the eggs. First tap and then roll to loosen up the shell, and then run it over the cold water, and the peel is gone. Now it's time to slice the eggs. Grab the egg, cut lengthwise, and then take out the yolk and place into a bowl. Then finely chop up 3 of the little pickles. Should be about a half a cup. Now it's time to put everything together. First, put your eggs in. Then our pickles. About 2 cups of mayo. Should be the consistency of peanut butter. Time to put in that mustard, maybe a tablespoon, just a little bit. And a few shakes of paprika. And lastly, a little dash of pepper and a little bit of salt. After everything is combined, grab yourself an icing bag and a tip, cut the end, or you could use a Ziploc, and fill. It's time for the best part. Here we go. We're going to fill each one with this delicious deviled egg filling. Then we're going to add that paprika for garnishment. And here they are, Grandma's deviled eggs. Enjoy.